I am Dr. Santosh Agrawal. I am going to present a new device which can be utilized along with indirect ophthalmoscope as a slit lamp. So indirect ophthalmoscope, after examining the retina, we can also see the intersegment structures with the slit images. So I have devised a slit lamp like structure. This device has LED light system with on and off switch, and this is a pipe. At one end there is a slit in the black paper, and this is the slit light image, which we can see very well.
In torchlight it is not possible. I have tried that, so I have devised this new slit light, and this can be utilized in along with indirect ophthalmoscope, so that the corneal and intersegment structures and mainly the cataract can be assessed just like a slit lamp with magnification, with good illumination. Now this is the slit image of the intersegment. We can grade the cataract, we can see the corneal details in slit images, corneal ulcers, corneal opacities, aqueous flare, and cataract grading can be done. In a busy practice, many times it is not possible to see with slit lamp and indirect ophthalmoscope. So for a busy practitioner or in the periphery, we can utilize indirect ophthalmoscope for observation of the retina structures, as well as we can utilize as a slit lamp. So this is an innovative method to utilize the indirect ophthalmoscope as a slit lamp also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Santosh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Santosh. It was
Can we have
nice.
Dr. Dinesh?
Thank you, Dr. Santosh Agrawal. It was a nice innovation, and you have used LED light, isn't it? Like, you have
Yes.
used a LED light to make it into a slit. So
Yes.
I just wanted to know, like, are you using the indirect ophthalmoscope illumination also?
No. While watching the intersegment structures, we have to switch off the indirect light, and we have to use this slit image.
Yeah, using that slit light, and you are using the magnification of the lens, and you are using the binocularity of the indirect ophthalmoscope.
Indirect ophthalmoscope.
So that's mainly in slit lamp examination. We usually have coaxial illumination, especially for retro illumination and other examination. So will that be available here? Because this is not a coaxial system, isn't it?
Yeah, but we can move the slit light, and we can make it coaxial also. So as you move the slit at limbus, if you want retro illumination, is also possible. But it's a crude method. It is not. You cannot replace slit lamp with this device. But for a busy practitioner, and if you are working in a periphery, so most of the time there is no need of slit lamp, and you don't get that much time to observe in both the devices. You cannot use. So
Sure. Yeah, actually the portable slit lamps are not very popular in our country. So especially if you are seeing patients in some ICU or some peripheral area where slit lamp cannot be taken long, this can be a very useful device to help you screen the anterior segment. I
Yes.
think it's a great innovation from your side.
Yes.
Great, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dinesh Garg. Any other questions? There is still some time.
No, I think, yeah, please.
I think this is the
Thanks a lot. Thank you.
I think this is just a replacement of slit lamp, and not much more than that. So slit lamp gives you a better image if you compare with this instrument. So this is just a jugaad for slit lamp. That's all.
Can I ask a question? Or is it...
Yes, Malika ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. This device, is it a torch on which you have put a slit, or is it something special on which you have put a slit?
I initially tried with torch, ma'am, but it won't give that much good illumination or the slit. So I tried with this LED lamp, and this LED with this my jugaad, that comes out very well, and I could see the intersegment structure with good, just like a slit lamp.
but
So
we
the
can replace slit lamp, ma'am.
Understood. Is
No,
this LED device available easily?
LED, yes, yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yeah.
available easily?
No, ma'am. I made it just for my sake, and I'm using it for last 1 year. And some company should come forward and make it more sophisticated, actually.
Hmm. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's actually a LED light. These LED lamps are normally available, and he has used a cardboard roll, I think, to put this. And in front, he has used a black paper to make it a slit.
Hmm. Yeah, I think it's a very good device. Very
Light
good.
illumination is usually less. Yeah. Torchlight illumination is usually much less. LED must be around, say, 10 watt or 12 watt. But there are portable slit lamps available in international market, but they are not very popular here. And when you see a patient who is not able to sit up or stand, or like in ICU areas or even in periphery, probably this will be of
Right.
of course, retro illumination and other things like for a coaxial illumination, those things are not there. So it's a good alternative to that. So that's what my take would be.
Thank you very much.